Hello everyone. This typewriter is an Adler Model Universal from 1958. It's a robust German typewriter. Many time has passed and it shows a lot of signs of the time passing on it. But after half a century of hard life, it's still alive and working. It's like me. Me too have a lot of signs of the time, but I'm still alive. Adler in German means eagle, and in fact the logo symbolizes an eagle. Adler was a German manufacturer of bicycle, cars, and motorcycles from 1880 in Frankfurt. In their logo of that period, you can see the wheel of the bicycle. They produced also typewriters. For example, this Adler 7 from 1910 to 1925. Then produced also sewing machines, aircrafts and calculators. Then in 1958 the company Triumph was merged with Adler to form Triumph-Adler. In 1986 then Triumph-Adler was taken by Olivetti. Triumph-Adler is now part of the Kyocera group. In the manual of the typewriter there is a request ahead of its time. They ask for a review and maybe 5 stars. It will become an habit for sellers 60 years later. Let's see the typewriter. There is a standard keyboard. The buttons are made so to have the form of a finger. There is a Belgian layout on the keyboard. These of course are the buttons to change the color of the ribbon. Blue, red. Sometimes it's necessary to use no ribbon. There isn't the position for this, so you have to balance the buttons. And you can write without ribbon. The reseller of this typewriter was from Tongres in Belgium. There is his logo in the back. On the bottom of the typewriter there is this wheel. I think it's a touch control for the keyboard. You can regulate the touch on the keyboard, more or less heavy. Here it's a pity because the lever is broken. It's for the automatic insertion of the paper. And this is the lever for the adjustment of the paper. Inside here there isn't anything very interesting. The paper guide and the mechanism for the automatic reverse of the ribbon. But you can do also manually. Do you see these holes? They are there not to allow the air to pass through, but to draw lines. Lines are drawn by inserting a pencil into the holes of the transparent mask, like this, both horizontal and vertical. In the manual it says that you can use the paper bale to tear off the paper, but I don't think it's a good idea. This is considered the paper support, but actually is the end of sheet indicator. Do you see it's numbered? Its sliding scale should be adjusted to the size of the paper used. Then it indicates how many lines there are before the end of the paper. Do you see? 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, end of sheet. Here on the left there are the controls for the carriage. The knob, interline selector with 5 positions, interline lever. Lever to move the carriage back and forth. This is the lever to type between lines. There is a very easy way to place the margins with these levers. You press the lever, catch the margin and release it in the desired position, both left and right. This typewriter allows also double spacing. If the button 1 is pressed, there is normal spacing. If you press the button marked with the 2, the carriage moves 2 space at each touch. Could be useful sometime. There is also a quite complete tabulator. You have to bring the carriage where you want the stop to be set. With this button you set the tabulator stop. When you press the tabulation button, the carriage automatically slides to the tabulation stop. If you want to cancel a single tabulation stop, you can press this button. With this button you can skip a tabulation stop. If you want to cancel all the tabulation stops, there is this lever. The decimal tabulator is useful if you have many numbers to write in column. Let's say these. Do you see that they are aligned? You can remove the carriage. It's easy. You have to unscrew these two screws at the sides. You can do for cleaning and assistance, or to use a larger carriage. Or simply if you want to see the mechanism inside. I like very much to see this. That's all for the typewriter. I think it's a good typewriter with many good and interesting functions. It has many scratches and had hard life, but now it's safe and it will rest for the eternity in my collection. Or are you still here? If you want to see another video on another typewriter, the Model 7 from 1910, the video is here. I think you could like it. Now I have to finish to clear the sign. Sorry, but I have no time to chat. If you want to tell me something, you can write in the comments. See you in next video.